Hey guys, what up? I'm the virtual brain, and today I'm the virtual brain, and well, not only one. There's three others. So today we're gonna be playing anvil spleef. And basically, what anvil spleef is, it's basically spleef, but anvils keep on falling on you, and then you have to dodge them. So basically, I'm gonna go 3 times, and I'm gonna see how long I can survive, the most I can survive, and yeah, hopefully I can survive a lot. So. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Okay, that was a fail. I think I'm just gonna go. Okay, I don't think that will count as 1 turn. Because that was just not good at all. So maybe that's not gonna count as 1 turn. Go. Please tell me. Okay. Oh god. This is really hard to play. It doesn't look very hard, but it actually is. It is really hard to play. Okay. No! I failed. But I survived for 40 seconds. And I don't know why that always happens. But I survived for 40 seconds. So, yeah. Now, my second try. It's gonna be my second try. To the corner and go. Okay. To block the Okay. Oh god. I'm not. Nope. Okay. This is really hard. I'm gonna move. See? I'm surviving now. Oh god. Oof! That was a really risky play. Okay, let's go. We can survive for 1 minute. Let's see if we can go for 2 minutes. Oh god. Okay. We're still in 2 minutes. Oh god, I died. Okay, so that was for 1 minute and 5 seconds, I think. So this is gonna be our last try. Hopefully I can quickly get some things going. Okay, if this is not really long, then maybe I'm just going to do another one. But if it is long, then I might not. Okay. I should at least get to 1 minute, so that is Okay, I can jump. Maybe I can jump. Okay, I can jump. This is the last turn ever. Okay. Let's go. Quick. Come on. Don't ignore that. That's my mother. Just okay. Come on, let's go. Okay, I died. Well, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks guys for watching. Bye guys. See you later.